This video shows you how to set up new devices using the customer website. So this assumes that the device you are adding is part of your current service plan. So log into your Building 36 or Alarm.com account, go into Settings, go to Add Device. So click there, and now click on Other Z-Wave Device. So now click Next, and usually the first time this takes about 30 seconds to put the hub into pairing mode. Once it's complete, you'll hear a beep from your hub, and then click the Next button. So click Next, and now the system is listening for the new device that you're adding to the network. So now go to the device, whether it's a sensor or a thermostat or a water valve, and click the pairing button or perform the pairing function. So I just clicked on that for a water valve that I'm installing. So I heard the hub beep, so now it's doing the pairing. So you gotta give it about 30 seconds to recognize and show up here in the system. This happens to be a device that has S2 protocol. So on the back of the water valve electronics, there is a little code here. So that is 58723. And this allows you to set up S2 encryption, which is a higher degree of security and consumes lower power because it uses fewer messages to communicate. So it's a better overall and safer for the system. So it's going through the pairing operation right now. So again, it takes about 30 seconds, and it will confirm when things are done with a beep. And now it allows you to rename it. So I'm going to rename this water meter test. Water meter. Click Next, and now that is complete. So you could repeat that process for additional devices. So now over here it's going to show the water meter when I refresh the overall system. So there it is. There's the water meter. So now I can close it and use it. So that's how you use the customer website to add new devices to your system.